Today we are at 3238 Redwood Lane, Unit C. This is the bottom left unit of the complex. We're entering through the living room into the kitchen. As you can see, we do have all stainless steel appliances. Nice tile throughout the entire apartment. Good window over the sink for some lighting. If we continue through, there's our back door to the backyard. We have our laundry hookups over here with some storage shelves. And then we also have some extra space over here by the water heater and breaker. If we turn around, we'll show you the living room again. Nice recessed lighting throughout that living area. Good amount of space for a small family. If we turn down this direction here, we'll go to the bedrooms. Going towards the front of the apartment or in the front bedroom. So you can see we do have a good light, nice fan. If we turn around here, I'll show you the closet. Now if we go down the hallway some more, we'll come to the bathroom of the unit. Tile does continue throughout the bathroom. We do have a nice single sink vanity. Good lighting in here, and our shower tub combo's got beautiful tiling in it. Going back out now, we'll go to the second of the bedrooms. We do have a small storage closet here just before the bedroom, and here's our last bedroom. Again, same setup, fan and light. And here's our closet behind our door. Lots of good storage space in there. Now if we go back out to the living area, I'll give you the rundown. This is 3238 Redwood Lane, Unit C, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 934-2588. You can also view it on our website at barronspm.com.